Hey there, welcome to our English speaking practice series. Today, we have something super fun lined up for you all.
That's right. We'll be exploring different scenarios today. We'll start with vocabulary, then move on to ordering food at a restaurant, followed by shopping at a market, traveling at an airport, and finally, listening session.
So, let's begin with the vocabulary part. Listen carefully, and remember for better understanding, during the next conversation.
Appetizers. Small dishes served before the main meal. Example. We ordered garlic bread as our appetizer before the main course. Main courses. The main dishes in a meal. Example. The restaurant's main courses include steak, pasta, and seafood options. Bulk. Large quantity. Example. Buying flour in bulk is more cost-effective for frequent bakers. Check-in. Registering for a flight. Example. The check-in process at the airport usually requires showing identification. Lounge. A comfortable waiting area with amenities. Example. Business class passengers have access to the airline lounge.
Ordering food at a restaurant.
Everything looks so delicious. I can't decide what to order.
Don't worry, I'll help you out. How about we practice ordering in English?
All right. Excuse me, could I please have the chicken salad with extra dressing on the side?
Of course, ma'am. Would you like any appetizers to start?
Yes, we would like the garlic bread, please.
Your iced coffee is really good. I'll have that, please.
Excellent choices. Your food will be out shortly.
Great job, you nailed it.
Thanks. It feels so much easier practicing in a real-life situation like this. Shopping at a market.
Look at all these fresh fruits and vegetables. Let's practice some English while we shop.
Sounds good. Excuse me, how much is this apple?
That's $2 per kilogram.
Okay, I'll take 3, please. And how about these tomatoes?
Those are $1 per kilogram.
I'll take half a pound, please. Do you have any discounts for buying in bulk?
Yes, if you buy 5 kilograms of any fruit or vegetable, you get 1 kilogram free.
Great, we'll take 5 pounds of apples and 3 pounds of tomatoes, please.
Certainly. Anything else?
Yes, do you have any local honey?
Yes, we do. A small jar is $5.
We'll take 1 jar, please.
Here you go. Enjoy your shopping.
This is fun. It's like a mini English lesson while we shop.
Absolutely. Now, let's move on to our final situation.
Traveling at an airport.
I'm so excited about our trip. Let's practice some English while we go through the airport process.
Hi, we're checking in for flight 123 to London.
Welcome. Can I see your passports, please? Everything looks good. Here are your boarding passes. Your gate is B12, and boarding will begin in 30 minutes.
Thank you.
Let's have a listening part. We'll play an audio clip, and you can answer a question related to it. Ready?
Close your eyes and just listen this clip carefully.
Hey, what are you thinking of ordering? I'm torn between the lasagna and the grilled salmon. The lasagna here is amazing, but the salmon is really fresh today. I think I'll go with the grilled salmon. Hello, folks. Are you ready to order? Yes, I'll have the lasagna, please. And I'll have the grilled salmon, cooked medium rare, please. Got it. Anything to drink? I'll have a glass of white wine. I'll have a sparkling water, please. Perfect. Your food will be out shortly. Now, here's the question for our viewers. What did friend 2 decide to order, and how did they want the grilled salmon cooked?
Take a moment to think about it and then share your answer in the comments below.
We're getting better at this with each situation, don't you think?
Definitely. Practicing in different scenarios really boosts our confidence.
It's a great way to learn vocabulary and expressions used in natural conversations.
So, let us know your answer and if you found this listening exercise helpful.
And that wraps up our English speaking practice adventure for today.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging English practice videos. See you next time.